In this video, we'll be giving a general overview of the Users Audit section of GAT+. This will help give you an idea of what all the different areas of this section are for and how they could be useful. First of all, we'll start off in the basic area of the Users Audit section. This area will give you a general overview of your users, including their names, aliases, org units, and so on. To learn how to bulk update user information, we have a video covering that topic linked in the description. One unique feature of the Users Audit section is that filters you make will carry over to the other areas of the tool. For example, I'll create a filter to view all users who are part of our marketing OU. Now I'll switch over to the Drive tab at the top of the page. As you can see, our filter has already been carried over to this section. This makes it easier to find the users you're looking for and manage them without having to recreate a filter. In this Drive area, you can see the number of files that the user currently owns or has access to. From here you can view the permissions these files have, from being fully public to being fully private. Clicking any number will immediately bring you to the Drive section of the tool to view the files in question. To view only the files your users own, simply click the Drive Productivity tab. This page is identical to the Drive tab, but will only display the files that are owned by your user and excludes any files that may have been shared with them. In file types, you can view information on who owns certain types of files. Clicking any column can reorganize them from top to bottom. The next area, Quota, is mainly useful for admins that use G Suite Basic. This will show your quota sizes for Google Drive. In the Security tab, you can view the current security status of your users. For example, you can check which users are and aren't running two-factor authentication, among other details. In the Applications tab, you can view all the apps your users have installed. Clicking the value will bring you to the Application section, where you can view which apps are high risk and even ban the app for multiple users, groups, or OUs. In the Calendars tab, you can view all the calendars your users have access to, as well as the past and future events of your users. Clicking the value will bring you to the Calendars Audit section, where you can further manage the user's calendar. Next, we have the Printers tab. Unfortunately, we don't use printers very much here at the office, so what you should be seeing is values representing any printers you have connected to your account via cloud. You will also be seeing what jobs the printer was working on and what the last print job was. Clicking any value presented will bring you to the Printers Audit section for more information. The Devices tab will show you all the devices connected to your user's accounts. For example, this user has 2 mobile devices and 3 Chrome OS devices. Clicking the value will bring you to the respective areas to manage them. Lastly, the Email Info tab contains all the information relating to settings in a user's Gmail. The most notable column a super admin should focus on is who has delegated access to a user's email. Don't forget to go to our website to get a free 15-day trial of GAT+. If you enjoyed this how-to, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell so you never miss a video, and let us know in the comments what you would like to see from us in the future. That covers this GAT+ overview. Thanks for watching.